I just want to formally warn you that the music in this vlog sucks. Just saying.
Why don't you pick better music?
Shut up, Tim.
We're superior to that puny car. Hello, welcome to the vlog. I'm going to Virginia Beach. That's about all you need to know. Yeah. This is my first time seeing the ocean, Luke. Luke, this is my first time seeing the ocean. Yeah. Whoa. That's amazing. It's beautiful. This is cool. This is cool. We're in a tunnel now. We're under the ocean. I wonder if it's gonna flood.
Guys, we're at the hotel in Virginia Beach. Here are my roommates. I got Daddy Luke, I got Tim, and I got Big Boy, Jared. What? I mean, wait. That was the vlog. It was pretty short, but you know, whatever. There's Tim, and then you got Big Boy and Luke. Or I think that should be the other way around. you got Big Boy and Tyler, and that guy. There we go. That's the vlog. Peace out, my pineapple peeps. I'll see you next time on SHABLAMBO.